Tired of juggling shipping labels and manually updating tracking for every order? Let's connect Shiprocket to your Shopify store in just a few simple steps and say goodbye to shipping headaches. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. Next, click on Apps and then select Visit the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Shiprocket and hit Enter. Find the Shiprocket app in the search results and click on it now. Click the Install button to begin the installation process. Shopify will now ask for permissions for Shiprocket to access your store data. Review the permissions carefully, and then click Grant Permissions to continue. You'll now be redirected to Shiprocket. If you already have a Shiprocket account, log in using your email and password. If not, create a new account by filling out the registration form. Once you're logged in, Shiprocket should automatically detect your Shopify store. If it doesn't, navigate to the Settings or Integration section within your Shiprocket dashboard. Look for Shopify in the list of integrations and ensure the status shows as connected with a green checkmark, and that's it. Shiprocket is now connected to your Shopify store. Your Shopify orders will now automatically sync to Shiprocket, allowing you to manage shipping, generate labels, and track shipments directly from your Shiprocket dashboard. Happy shipping!